Alright, I'm testing return home right now, so I'm going to go ahead and fly it away. I'll just go over there with it. I'll go a little further. Alright, so right now, GPS is on and height hold is on. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the switch to go home. Okay, so now it's going to go home by itself. Mind you, while I'm video holding everything. So I just went home to helipad number 2. So the return home works really well in the wind, and I'm pretty sure I got some settings pretty dialed in here. But other than that, it's locked in pretty good. So Mikrokopter return home.